Hello again. Welcome to the next video on the Traffic Stop channel. And today I'm going to talk about AdsMailer Plus and some free traffic they're giving away there. And I'm going to talk about BannerTextAds, give you an update on that program, which is going well. I've actually increased my upgrade rate. And I will reiterate why I'm recommending BannerTextAds, not just for the traffic, but recommend it as an affiliate program for you to promote. Perfectly happy with you competing against me, because I'm trying to help you. If I didn't want to help you, I wouldn't recommend that you promote BannerTextAds.com. But because I am trying to help you, I'm recommending that you just compete against me. I don't care if I lose some sales. I just want to help people as well. Want to make a little bit of money. So that's why I recommend it. Now, AdsMailer Plus, let's have a look at the initial promo code. If you didn't join yet, it's just welcome, and it's going to give you this free traffic. The 5,000 email credits and banner credits, text ad credits, and 5 login spotlights. So when people log in and they will see ads, and that this will be one of yours. And today, in addition to the if you've already done the welcome, okay, but I got more today. Let me show you. This is it right here. AdsMailer Plus -4. Note the capitalization. It might count. I'm not sure. Ads, capital A, capital M, capital P, -4. Okay. That's a hyphen, by the way. AdsMailer Plus -4. It's not like the long dash, but it's a hyphen. Okay. AdsMailer Plus -4. This link here is in the description, so make sure you do the welcome and then the AdsMailer Plus -4 if you're just joining now. Okay, it'll say voucher. Okay, see voucher. I'm logged in already. Voucher, and I just redeemed it. AdsMailer Plus -4, and it still has the login ad credits +2 right here. So it worked. So I haven't run any yet. So now I have, when you combine them, I got like 7 login ads, which I haven't run yet because I'm saving them for something good, which I'm gonna have a pre-launch of my own program soon. Now that's that. Okay, now BannerTextAds. Now I'm up to 36 referrals, and you can see, welcome back, Jimmy. That's me. 36 referrals. It says 20 in commissions. It's actually $80 in commissions so far. Let me show you on that page. Pending 20, paid 60. So yeah, I've been paid $60, and I got 20 more coming. So that's $80. So what does that mean? In terms of an upgrade rate, we're talking about 8 out of 36, which is a 22.5% upgrade rate, a very big upgrade rate. Nowadays, with a lot of programs, you might see only a 5% upgrade rate. That's for 2 reasons. Number one, the upgrade might not be that good, so people don't want to upgrade, or perhaps it's too expensive. Actually, 3 reasons. The upgrade might not seem that good. Perception is everything, of course, but if it upgrade, so people base things on their perception. If it doesn't seem that good, they may not upgrade. If it's too expensive, in some cases they may not upgrade, which might be a good or bad or a neutral thing, because if the upgrade makes you enough money, maybe it's okay that it has a lower upgrade rate. And then the other one is that the system itself, the funnel itself, may not be optimized to get upgrades. This one has about everything you need to get, like I said, a 22.5% upgrade rate. I don't know the site-wide upgrade rate, but 22.5% is really good. So again, I recommend this for the 100 hands-free lifetime ads. It's 100 hands-free lifetime ads for $20. Okay, there's no monthly fee. It's one time $20. You can get 100 hands-free lifetime ads, and I am getting traffic off these ads. Not a huge amount of traffic, but 100 lifetime hands-free ads. That means you will have consistent traffic over time. Not just one burst of traffic. You just keep getting traffic. And it's only $20. So, you know, one of the reasons why you'll have a 22.5% upgrade rate, why I have that rate at this point, is because it's fairly cheap. You know, I don't know what it would be if it was $10. I don't know exactly what it would be if it was $30, but $20 is priced right for a nice 20% plus upgrade rate. A while back I checked it when it was 20. It's now 22.5, so it's actually done better lately. But it seems to be between about 20 and 25% upgrade rate. It's the second best upgrade rate I've had in the last few years, with the only higher one being Mailer.gold. But this is the one you want to promote now, not Mailer.gold. You know, Mailer.gold is like a secondary program now because too many people have already joined. Over 3,000 people joined it. So there's so many people that have joined it, it's harder to get signups in Mailer.gold. So this is going to be better for getting signups. Like I just got 2 just yesterday. I got 2 more of these 36. I just got 2 more yesterday. And the day before that was when I had my last sell. The last 2 haven't upgraded yet, but again, you know, 22.5% is a very good upgrade rate. Now, I've seen at least one person to buy this upgrade, and then I see them promoting something else. But I'm telling you, this is the thing. Unless you really know what you're doing already, this is one of the main things you should be promoting. Okay, because I'm telling you, it's an easy sell. This is why do you want something that's unproven? Why are you promoting something that's unproven when I'm telling you, this is easy to sell. 36 referrals, $80 in commissions so far, because it's $10 per commission, 50%, that's 8 upgrades. So that's 8 upgrades out of 36 overall signups. You should be one of those ones who upgrades because this is an easy sell. Now, on this particular program to incentivize the upgrade, you won't earn commissions if you don't upgrade. Okay, so you need to upgrade. It's $20. Obviously, I've already made my money back fourfold, 4x my money back. So if you're worried about $20 when you're getting 100 lifetime ads anyway for the $20, okay, this is the wrong thing for you if you're worried about $20 when you're getting 100 lifetime ads and you're getting 50% commissions. And I'm showing you a 22.5% upgrade rate, when many programs are like 5%, 10%, and I'm doing a close to 25% in this one. So don't just join this, don't just upgrade in it, also promote it. Unless you just don't want to make easy sells. Okay, check the link in the description, join this if you haven't joined it yet, upgrade, and actually promote it. Now, if you don't know where to promote it, that's why I have a coaching program. There's a reason why I have a coaching program. And not only that, because it's YouTube, and I appreciate people watching my videos, I will give you the coaching if you upgrade in this, if you haven't yet. But you just, of course, you have to join through me and upgrade. And then I will give you the coaching so you'll know. And there's a lot of free traffic you get. And you're getting lifetime free traffic updates anyway if you get my coaching. So this is the absolute #1 thing that you should join and upgrade in right now. This would be #1 on my list. #1. Especially because if you're watching it on YouTube, I'm giving you my coaching. If you get this. For one time $20 and no monthly fee. This is the #1 recommendation right now from me to get. Okay? To review an AdsMailer Plus, it's AdsMailer Plus -4, which is the one for the 2 login ad credits, and welcome if you haven't joined yet, which is going to give you a lot more. As shown on this page, 5,000 email credits, 5,000 banner credits, 5,000 text ad credits, 5 login spotlight ads. Okay, but my #1 recommendation is BannerTextAds right now. 22.5% upgrade rate. Easiest sell going right now. Period. You're not going to get easier sales than this. So don't just upgrade in it to get the free, practically free traffic. 100 lifetime ads is $20, yes. So it's not free, but almost free. And then the 50% commissions. So just upgrade in it. Don't just upgrade in it. Also promote it if you want easy sales, okay? Email me for the coaching after you upgrade.